Gut health, your digestive system and its impact on health. The digestive system, often referred to as the gut, plays a critical role in our overall well-being. Beyond its primary function of breaking down food and absorbing nutrients, the gut hosts a complex ecosystem of microorganisms and has a profound impact on various aspects of health, including the immune system, mental health, and more. In this comprehensive article, we will explore the intricacies of the digestive system, its crucial role in maintaining health, and how we can nurture our gut for optimal well-being. Understanding the digestive system. The digestive system is a marvel of biological engineering, responsible for processing the food we consume, breaking it down into its components, absorbing nutrients, and expelling waste. The key components of the digestive system include mouth and salivary glands. The digestion process begins in the mouth, where food is chewed and mixed with saliva, an enzyme-rich fluid that starts breaking down starches. Esophagus. The esophagus is a muscular tube that transports food from the mouth to the stomach through a series of rhythmic contractions known as peristalsis. Stomach. In the stomach, food is mixed with gastric juices and enzymes that further break it down into a semi-liquid substance called chyme. Small intestine. The small intestine is where the majority of digestion and nutrient absorption occur. Enzymes from the pancreas and bile from the liver help break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates into absorbable nutrients. Large intestine, colon. The large intestine absorbs water and electrolytes from the remaining chyme, forming feces. It also houses a large community of gut microbiota. Rectum and anus. The rectum stores feces until they are ready to be expelled through the anus during a bowel movement. The gut microbiota, our gut's ecosystem. The gut microbiota comprises trillions of microorganisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, and single-celled organisms. These microbes play a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and the functioning of the immune system. The balance and diversity of these microbes are crucial for a healthy gut. The gut-brain connection. The gut and brain are intimately connected through the gut-brain axis, a bidirectional communication system between the central nervous system and the enteric nervous system of the gut. This connection plays a significant role in regulating mood, emotions, and even cognitive functions. Role of serotonin. The gut produces a significant amount of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that influences mood, anxiety, and happiness. A healthy gut contributes to the proper production and regulation of serotonin. Stress and gut health. Stress can affect the gut and vice versa, leading to conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and other gastrointestinal issues. Managing stress through practices like meditation and exercise can positively impact gut health. Impact of gut health on immunity. A healthy gut is essential for a robust immune system. The gut microbiota interacts with the immune cells in the gut-associated lymphoid tissue, GALT, influencing immune responses and defending against harmful pathogens. Common gut-related disorders. Several disorders can affect the digestive system and gut health, including irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. IBS is a common disorder characterized by symptoms such as abdominal pain, bloating, diarrhea, and constipation. It is often linked to stress and dietary habits. Inflammatory bowel disease, IBD. IBD includes conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcerative colitis, which cause chronic inflammation in the digestive tract, leading to symptoms like severe diarrhea, pain, fatigue, and weight loss. Gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD. GERD occurs when stomach acid frequently flows back into the tube connecting the mouth and stomach, esophagus, causing symptoms like heartburn and acid regurgitation. Nurturing your gut health. Maintaining a healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. Here are several steps to nurture your gut health. Dietary changes include fiber-rich foods. Fiber supports digestive health by promoting regular bowel movements and feeding beneficial gut bacteria. Include fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains in your diet. Probiotic and fermented foods. Incorporate foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi, which are rich in beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut. Limit processed foods and sugars. Processed foods and excessive sugars can disrupt the gut microbiota balance. Reduce consumption of these items for a healthier gut. Hydration. Drink plenty of water to keep your digestive system functioning optimally and maintain the right consistency of stool for easy bowel movements. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity to support gut motility and overall digestive health. Manage stress. Practice stress reduction techniques like meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or hobbies to minimize the impact of stress on your gut health. Adequate sleep. Ensure you get sufficient, quality sleep, as sleep plays a significant role in gut health and overall well-being. When to seek professional help. If you experience persistent digestive symptoms such as severe abdominal pain, blood and stool, unexplained weight loss, or persistent changes in bowel habits, it's crucial to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation and appropriate treatment. Conclusion. Your digestive system, a wondrous and intricate network of organs and microorganisms, holds the key to your overall well-being. Nurturing your gut health through a balanced diet, proper hydration, regular exercise, stress management, and adequate sleep can significantly impact not only your digestive system but also your immune function, mental well-being, and longevity. Listen to your body, prioritize gut health, and embark on a journey to a healthier, happier life.